Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how to start editing your actual web pages that you have already set up for you. So once you log into EasyTask, you'll notice that you have three different pages. You have the first part is going to be your first part of your email, thanks to Ms. Vishnevsky for allowing me to use her account. And then you have a home page, a contact page, and a calendar page. We're going to first focus on the home page. So you'll click that to open it. And it already has a template set up for you. Now you can change all of this if you want. If you want to add things, you just pretty much drag and drop. So if you go to layouts, you can drag a layout and put a new layout here, or you could add widgets and add, say, like an image into this box. So it's really just dragging and dropping. But first, we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to show you how to edit the basic information that's already there. So when you want to edit text, you just highlight it like you would in a Word document, and you can say, "Welcome to Theater Arts and Yearbook," or whatever you want it to page. It can be your name, you can have whatever you want. The key on this is that anytime you save text changes, you have to click this Save Changes box. Otherwise, it will not take your changes. Now, also with your text, you can highlight it. At the very top, you have some text tools, like if you want to center your text, if you want to make it bold. You can change a little bit with, different heading styles. But for the most part, there's, just your basics that you can do with this. So that's your basic text editing. Same thing here. You could put information about your class. You could put your class schedule. You could do all sorts of different things. So if you want to put, first period, I have yearbook, whatever your class schedule may be. It's up to you kind of what you put there, but or just information about your class, maybe your syllabus, things like that. Now if you want to add a picture, your picture box has already this little upload images. This is also available up here, Image Manager, but we're going to do it from here. So you're going to click Upload Images. You'll browse. Okay, and I'm going to take this avatar that I already created. You can do an avatar, you can do a real picture, it's up to you. And then you'll click Apply. And there's your little avatar. So it's there. You could put that there as your picture, and then you could put your name, your phone number. And again, if you're going to put text here, you do have to make sure you save changes every time that you do some editing. And that's, you just got to get used to doing that. You'll find that it doesn't work when if you haven't made those changes. If you do something else and you go to another page, none of those changes will be made. So make sure you always click Save Changes. So that's just the basics to get you started. You can, again, do different things. You could add, some text boxes wherever you want, like on the widgets. You could add a text editor, another text box right there if you want to add it. Actually, I guess I have to add it here. I'm not sure how this one works, but yeah, you could make another box, or you could add different things. You could put a module over there. You could do another layout. You could put a one-column layout. But yeah, you just drag and drop and then change your text to whatever you want. But the key is, once you have finished all your editing and you have all your information where you want it, you need to click on Options and click Publish this page. Now, I'm not actually going to do that since this is not my page, but it will not be visible to the web itself until you have actually published this page. This is every time that you come back and make changes and edit your page, you need to make sure that you click Publish. So that's the basics to get you started. I'm going to be creating other videos to show you some more detailed things that you can do, but this will get you a good start on getting your pages set up.